In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can go ahead and turn on or off hold assist in your iPhone running at least iOS 26 as well as future iOS versions. If you do have any questions before we dive in this guide, make sure to ask them down in the comment section below. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. And of course, before we do dive in this, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Let's go ahead and dive straight into this. First things first, go ahead and open up your settings app and then scroll all the way down to the very bottom. And you're going to want to find this app section right here. Go ahead and select that. From here, scroll down even more until you get to the section for P, or you could just search for it. It's completely up to you, but you're looking for the phone app within here. When you see it, go ahead and select that. And once you are in your phone settings, scroll down till you see this hold assist setting right here. This feature is usually on by default and it automatically detects when you're placed on hold, so you could step away and your iPhone will notify you when the call does resume. If you'd rather not use it, simply toggle it off just like so. But to turn it back on later, just tap on this switch again. It really is as simple as that. If you guys do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. But before you do leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.